So what we're going to do today is talk about Venn diagrams and subsets. So our goals, our learning targets, we're going to use Venn diagrams to depict set relationships. We're going to determine the complement of a set with a universal set within a universal set. We're going to determine whether one set is a subset of another. We're going to distinguish between a subset and a proper subset. And we're going to determine the number of subsets of a given set. So if I'm looking at this picture, this is a Venn diagram picture. This is a set A. This is everything that's not an A, which is written as A complement. And then this is a universal set. Now there can be overlap. So we could put a set B that has elements that are also in A and put those in a common part. And we're going to do that in a second. So U is a universal set, which has everything. A is a set A. A prime, which is the complement of A, and it's read A prime, is a set of everything in U that is not in A. So the complement of a set, for any set A within the universal set U, the complement of A, written A prime, is a set of elements of U that are not elements of A. That is, A prime is X, such that X is an element of U and X is not an A. So what we're going to do now, and let me just move this to my drawing part. I'm going to draw in black. So to find our complements, I'm going to just draw a picture here. So if I'm drawing my set here, we're going to have U be the universal set of everything. And M and N actually have a little bit of overlap. I see that B is in both M and N. So when I draw that, I'm going to draw a Venn diagram that has some overlap. So this is M and N. So the overlap, I notice that B is in both. So I'm going to put it in this part that is in both. And I'm going to cross B out. And then I notice that A is in M, but not in N. And then E is in both M and N. And then F is only in M. And then D, G, and H and let me fix that too. That looks sloppy. So I'll write that as a better F. So here we have D, G, and H. So now what I'm going to do is cross off the ones in the universal set that might be outside of both M and N. So we have A represented, B is represented, C is not in either, so it's going to go outside over here. Then we have D is represented, E is, F is, G and H are. So M complement is everything that is not in M. So here is M. So everything that's not in M is going to be C, D, G, and H. So I'm just going to write M prime or M complement is going to be C, D, G, and H. Similarly, N complement is everything on the outside over here that's not in the circle within N. So N complement is A, C, and F.